by
talk
the way.
about these mugs.
Yes.
These mugs were on earlier.
Yeah.
And 8,000
Oh my
sets
gosh.
ordered.
Thank you, everybody.
Now, we want to remind you of all the choices. And do we have them out here, or are we going to do it on...
We have a couple out here, but I think the rumor was .com.
Okay, you're looking at Paul Fetty, and you get 4 mugs, each
Yes.
one 16 ounces,
Each
with
one
the
is,
round.
Yes, with the ornament that's also the lidded for on top and also the trivet for underneath. You've got the great silhouette on all of them. In Paul Fetty, look how we gave you 4 different versions. So again, 4 great gifts. You wait for these every year.
4 boxes.
And 4 boxes. And the first time that we've turned that lidded into, of course, a beautiful keepsake ornament as well.
Here are all the choices with their boxes, and we'll just go through these on QVC.com. This is Paul Fetty, which was the most popular today. This is Believe, that has the honeycomb design on it. Then we have Red Doodle Doo, which is a symbol of good luck. Then we have Frosty Forest. We only have 400 left in this. And you get 1 of each color. You don't choose. And then we have, is that poinsettia?
That's poinsettia. That has the cardinal on the ornament.
And then we have Winter Whimsy.
Love, so cute.
And finally, here's the Woodland White, which is so popular. And each of these are kind of chubby belly mugs.
Yes.
So they're great to wrap your hands around if you're eating soup out of the mug, or, Carla Hall's Brunswick stew.
Brunswick stew would be beautiful. Here's that Frosty Forest, because I know it's brand new, so you guys don't have a lot of experience with it, but look how sweet. There's our beautiful rose and mint. Yes. See the color that I did?
Frosty with colors. Maybe that is what we need to do next.
I think it's a good idea. See that?
Maybe the bakers are in those solid colors.
And there's also the white. So there's the baker that goes along with it. There, of course, is a cute look at all of our whimsy. Like when we talk about break-apart gifts for less than $9
and this tray
a gift.
is a separate purchase.
Yes. $9 a gift. Less than $9 a gift.
Less than $9 a gift.
And did we mention free shipping?
Fill your gift closet with these, because whether you order 1 or 25, they're all free ship.
Free ship.
So it's free ship, and we don't do free ship on Temp-tations all that often.
Ever. No, I'm just kidding.
No, I wouldn't say ever. But it does come around, you know, once in a blue moon.
Yeah, I love it.
Hey, it's good to see you, my friend.
It's great to be here.
Always
Thank
a
you
pleasure
so much.
to have you back.
Thank you, everybody.
Pardon me for walking in front of you.
I'll go
I've got to
this
get
way.
over here to where Julie is, because we need to talk about the calendar.
I know.